Oh, here we go. Guys, but you have to be extra quiet. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my God. You right there? Here we go. Just double check no one's there. Hey, grab this. Oh yeah, sorry. I was double checking no one's in there. Oh no, I've got it. Oh.
Just tucking all my hair in for extra precaution.
Here she goes.
A bit dusty.
You okay?
Yeah. Ouch. Cheers.
I don't know what I've done.
Caution, got a mask.
Oh. Yeah. Oh my God. Wow.
Could you just make sure I've got no spiders on the back of me? My head or anything?
No, you're all good.
Are you sure?
Yeah, all good. Right.
I'll see you later.
Sorry. Oh, didn't hit you, did you?
No, you're good.
Right. Right. Ow. That's better. Right. do apologise, guys. I'm just getting some extra lighting, so. Right, here we go. Right. Yeah, at the Christchurch tunnels.
Christchurch?
And we're doing this at night. Wow, look at that. Just. Oh my God. Wow.
Feels so good to be back
Is this a little one? Is this just like a little? Oh my God!
Yeah, this isn't a massive one, guys.
You could just see a bucket.
It was like a last minute plan, and yeah, we're here.
It's quite damp. Yeah, I'm not on my own, so. Is it you? But you just see the. Oh yeah.
You have?
I don't know if it's old or that's. See if I can get it brighter. Yeah. Don't know if you want to go in there.
Oh wow.
It doesn't lead you. Well, we checked actually, but.
I don't know, it looks like it goes up. I can't tell if it's blocked off, but that bit there looks like it goes up. Oh, it's dripping. I mean, that bit's clearly not structurally safe anymore, but I mean, up there, it probably does go up. I just don't know where it would lead to.
Yeah.
The other entrance is blocked up that we walk past, perhaps?
I suppose it. Yeah, I
It's
suppose it
joined
would,
in
wouldn't
together,
it?
maybe?
Because I can't see it just being one entrance, would it?
Well, no. No, you wouldn't have one way in and one way out.
No.
It would be the same as that one in Langdon by the National Trust thing that we went in.
Just
You
in
had
case
one
it-
side and then the other side, didn't you? So
Just in case that one collapses.
So that's probably what that other side is then.
Yeah.
Again.
Look at the wood. Wow.
I know.
You could tell it's an airway shelter though, couldn't you?
Yeah. That's like a Liddon spout that we don't dare do, isn't it? It's
I'm
got all that.
surprised that no one's down there actually.
Yeah, very damp, isn't it?
Well, yeah.
You see, it's just literally. It's so cool. Not a bad little place, though, is it?
I don't know if you can see it now. I hope we ain't got this upside down. That'd be funny.
Yeah, I'm wondering if.
There you go.
Be some, definitely.
Are you recording? Yes, you are. Wow, this is, I don't know, this is quite amazing actually. It's not spooky.
No.
It's no vibe.
No, I don't get any bad vibe from it at all, actually.
So there's something was.
I was just about to say, something must have gone along here. I'm interested to find out what.
Cable?
Oh, 1941.
Oh!
In the Second World War, wasn't it? They must have been down there, perhaps. It's quite cool. Cool.
I don't know. Oh, this torch is amazing.
That's quite a good torch, to be fair.
I got it from TU.
Really? Oh, wow.
The freebie one.
Oh, even better. It's free.
Wow.
Look at that. coloured rings around it. Like it's rust, but
What if
it's
it
got
was
like
something,
weird.
something was hanging down of some sort? One point? A lighting? One point?
Possibly.
Oh no, there would be like a shape sort of thing, wouldn't it?
Yeah, I don't know.
But it's a lovely little place. It really is. I've not been
Bad,
here.
is it? To be fair, really.
I've not been here before, but I still love it.
Yeah, it's just nice to really take a look.
And oh, look at that night. Oh, I've got to turn this. I've got to turn the torch. Oh, hang on. See how? Right. That's how dark it is. There you go. Wow. Oh, I don't know if that's better without the more torches. Ooh. Ooh.
You won't see spiders in this bit because it's too damp.
Yeah.
I can't it will be like that.
You see what I mean? It's easy to get in.
Yeah, it's only a little squeeze through, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nothing major at all. That weren't too shabby actually. Hopefully a Desperado's bottle is very old.
It doesn't, for some reason, my camera does not like. It's still a bit. Oh well, at least it's filming something. Is that?
Yeah. That's not old graffiti. It is not old.
Not anymore?
One, is that weird?
No more, is there?
That's boring.
Got any names? Got any?
Oh, shit.
Oh, look, it's got my daughter's name.
Was it? Probably had come down there. 1944.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's another one there. There's three of them there.
Oh, another one
Supposed to kill the time, I
there. So
suppose.
yeah, it must have been, this would have been used throughout the Second World War, then, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
1940s.
Never 44.
It's not bad though, I mean, oh.
Take it, that's
little
good.
shelf.
Put your light on or
Yeah,
some
the
sort? With
candle
a
or
candle
something
on?
on, yeah. I mean, considering it's small, like for its purpose, it's not a bad little place, is it?
And it's still,
It would fit quite a fair few people down here.
and it's still intact.
Yeah, and obviously we don't know how far back that goes. That's all like caved in, so that could go further.
No, I was going to say, I wonder if they had sheeting on top. Oh, actually, it could be. What's that? Concrete. There's the lines of, you know, they, what do you call it?
The corrugated metal?
Yeah.
Yeah, because there's some of it down there that we walked over, so yeah, I would imagine. It was probably all mozzies. Ooh, corrugated, yeah.
What's this time of year?
Yeah, you'd be surprised.
Oh, God.
What this was. Old springs and out on it, maybe an old bed.
Okay.
Got an old bed, I don't know, it's got springs on it. Could have been a chair.
Oh, could be a chair. Of some sort.
There would have been something there as well. Looks like possibly partitioning that, doesn't it?
Toilet?
Yeah, probably would have, yeah, I would imagine been a toilet or something. And then
Take it,
maybe
those
another
doors
one
there.
They would have, I don't know, maybe hung something like that.
Take that wood, that lot wood. I suppose there would have been, no, there's no signs of, I don't know, on the doors. Oh no, it's no hinges. Oh, yes there is. Was.
Oh, yeah.
There's some kind of... Nah, that would be all windows of some sort.
No.
There's another one here. Said it's
Yeah, I just
land,
noticed that.
ruins.
There was something going along here. She looked like, yeah. Actually, ooh. Hold down there. Oh, do I like those? Spooky. Well, there you go, guys. Short and sweet, but
It's something.
yeah, just that. Like I said, a little quick fix just before Christmas because I was getting withdrawal symptoms from exploring.
So if it's any more.
2023, that's a good one, isn't it? And then in like 40 years' time, I've got 2023. That was ages ago. Oh my god.
Did I miss anything on the floor?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna have a little look. Hold on.
Oh, it's creepy there though.
Yeah, that looks really weird. No, thank you.
Pop a look.
A little old bit there.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. The corrugate sheeting.
Oh yes.
Wow.
Now this is the dusty part when we get up here, isn't it?
That's a old watering can.
Watering can.
Right. In 1940.
Oh really? This is a bit where I'm getting a bit like. Oh, the flooring.
Echoing.
Yeah, but massive concrete like pavement.
Oh, it's
isn't it?
paper slabs, isn't it?
Yeah. Paving slabs.
Wow.
And then I don't know what it's like all down there, but no, I think the flooring changes. Yeah. It's proper like massive paving slabs.
Supposed to put paving slabs on, then there would have been.
I don't know. I went at 1940. You spiders are doing me, I swear. Come on. Leave the girl alone, man.
So they're in here all year round then.
No. I thought they wouldn't be as like prominent.
Do you want to see that one?
Within Terror. Was I mistaken? Oh, the bloody size of them as well. Have they got bigger since we were last exploring or what?
Oh my god. So you could tell that would have been a door.
Oh yeah.
I've just first time I've noticed that, a window.
Oh yeah.
Let's look at that in a minute. Right.
Oh, look at that, Jax.
What's that? Everything.
Oh, I don't think it's that old, but look. That's quite cool. Isn't it? Like a proper bit of like pottery.
Oh.
What if it's got a date or something? It might not even be that old, but it just looks. So, England something. Quite interesting.
Yeah. Would have been a pretty one as well.
Yeah.
I'll stick that over there.
We find it's worth not too bad.
Right. Okay.
Listen.
Right. I might as well take. Don't need these torches, do I? I suppose. Right. This is when I fell back. So I better take my rucksack off, don't I?
No problem.
I'm going to go on my knees for safety. Right. Oh my god. Oh. You right there, Mum?
Yeah.
Would you like me to
Guys, I'm going to stop the camera for a sec.
bit dusty, wasn't it?
Oh, yeah. The boy all out of us. It's falling off of us. Oh, that's not going to help my chest.
Just double checking, making sure it's.
I'm really sweaty.
See, there's another. Would have been another tunnel there.
I think that's the other.
Yeah.
I reckon it comes out of there.
I don't know if you can see that, guys. Oh look, there's another. Is that a window?
Looks like something, doesn't it?
Right, I mean, this is going to be slippery, I suppose, isn't it? It's not worth doing that anyway, is it? So
Yeah, I reckon that might be that blocked off bit that we just see.
Yeah.
Possibly.
Oh, sorry guys, I think it's got a bit blue.
Okay, it's very nice.
There you go. Right. Oh. Right. Where's that standing bit? Because look, there's a lot of arches and.
Yeah, that looks like it goes off that way, which would make sense with that side, wouldn't it?
Yeah. There's a. Oh, I'm loving this.
Oh, so nice to be out.
God, look at the moon.
Missed it so much.
Yeah, that's just like. I wonder if that could have been before the air raid shelter. I wonder if this was 1800s.
What, like Napoleonic?
Yeah, because look at the brickwork, and this could be like a kilt like one of those,
Kiln?
yeah, that's it.
Yeah, it could be actually. I never thought of that.
I'm thinking there's someone there then. That's you look down there.
Yeah, it looks
It is kind of creepy, doesn't it? Yeah.
Oh, God.
Yeah, guys, this is a nighttime explore.
Yeah. Already done night time, haven't we?
No.
Nice change.
Last time I'd done nighttime was when at the Warmer Castle, the Halloween, but don't go there. It was with you know who. Ooh, it's another. Oh.
Night time exploring actually ain't that bad, is it?
What was that? Don't do that.
Apart from you hear more at night. It's like little wood up there, like white wooden bits.
Oh, yeah. There was a.
Must have got up somewhere, mustn't it? Surely.
Yeah. Yeah, this is definitely upon it before the World War II.
Yeah.
Wow. God. Right, I better stop now in a minute. Ooh. There's a bit sticking out bit there. Right, I'm going to stop a moment, guys. Right, that's us done with the Christchurch. It's a small one, but it's better than nothing. With Mon at the back somewhere.
I'm here.
Somewhere.
I am here, honest.
There you go. I can't say. And there you go. Please like, share, and subscribe if you can see me.